Down syndrome in India, according to the maternal age, in pregnancies which range in 25 to 30 years of age group, Down syndrome occurs in 1 in 1500 pregnancies. Maternal age 35 years, it occurs in 1 is to 300 pregnancies. And maternal age above 40 years, Down syndrome has an incidence of 1 in every 100 pregnancy. The genetics, 95% of the cases are trisomy of the chromosome 21, and 5% of the pregnancies have Down syndrome patients have translocation of the chromosome 21. The higher chances of recurrence are in those patients who have a translocation of chromosome 21. Antenatal screening is done at 11 to 13 weeks of gestation. The sensitivity of the antenatal screening is 95% and the false positive rate is 5%. The maternal age, the dual markers, the USG findings are there in the antenatal screening. The NIPT test, which includes a trophoblast from the fetus, and the sample is the maternal plasma. It has 99% sensitivity and false positive of 0.1%. Confirmatory is postnatally by karyotyping, FISH or PCR. The results come in 24 to 48 hours. After birth, the Down syndrome patient should be evaluated for cardiac lesions at birth or established before 6 weeks of age, any lesion of the heart. The thyroid screening should be done at birth, at 6 months of age, and then after yearly. We should look for free T4 levels, TSH levels, and TPO antibodies. Audiological evaluation of the newborn is done at birth and thereafter yearly. Eye examination at the birth is done for cataracts, glaucoma, and then after yearly we should do eye examination. Then we can go for hematological examination, which includes the CBC and peripheral blood films, dental examination, GI abnormalities. The most common GI abnormality we see is diurnal atresia. Renal abnormality should be looked for. Then the most important thing is the language communication and the social skills. We should start rehabilitation at 3 months of age, and the child should go for normal school.